Time to revisit the Bilt chipper shredder. I got the new elbows for the carburetor fuel line. I got two of them so I can break one and still get away with it. So that means I'll probably break two. I mentioned in the other video I had the same thing happen to the Club Cadet. And I can't remember why I replaced the carburetor, not just the fitting. Because like I pointed out on the replacement carburetor, it actually had a brass insert, not this plastic garbage. But I don't know why I just didn't replace the broken one. But, oh well. Anyway, it's supposed to be one piece. That's molded into that. So when it's spinning like this, the insert's not spinning. It's just the plastic spinning on the insert. And I think, yeah, you can see the crack there. Unless that's a molding line, but it's pretty straight to be just a crack. Anyway, it's junk. Let me get you in the tripod. Technically, you actually could put a piece of hose on there after you break that plastic piece off and it'd work. It's just not quite as long as I would prefer, but you could do it. So, let's try to tap a new one in without breaking it. Nope. Alright, let me get some fuel. I'll be right back. We're over $4 a gallon here in California now. This stuff is gold. No leak, sounds good. That clanging as it idles down, it's the type of shredding blade it uses. There's a name for it, I forget what it is, but it's actually centrifugal, so it comes out at high RPMs, and then as it idles down you hear it clanking in. And Dave, I did remember to check, it is direct drive. Unfortunately we can't really see anything, but it comes straight out of the motor, and the shredder's right here, so it is just a straight drive. Looking inside though, you can't really see anything in there. Might be able to see something through the chute though. Not too much. There we go. Although you can see those splines I was talking about, those spin out when it gets up to speed. So it's just about ready to go. I'm gonna do an oil change on it, and I believe one of these tires needed a new valve stem. I forget which one. One of them holds for a while, but the other one's got some cracks. Looks like that one. Alright, I'm finished with it. I got the oil changed. I changed the valve stem on that tire, and at the same time I broke the wheel. These wheels are made out of plastic. And I took the recoil apart and oiled it because it wasn't retractable. Just put the new wheels and tires on it and put the hitch back on it, so it's ready to go now. Just wanted to point out the irony that the Harbor Freight wheels are better than the factory ones. Factory ones are not only plastic, there's no bearing, just the axle rides in the plastic. Harbor Freight wheels are steel and have roller bearings in them. Oiled it because it wasn't retracting very well, kind of sticky, so it's good now. And it's ready to go. Do a last quick demo to wrap it up. Oh, one thing I will give them kudos for, I was looking at that going, oh, that's just a great place for a drain. But on the other side, they actually put an access hole in an elbow and pointed it straight down. Somebody was actually thinking. gave up on that heavy branch. That those sumacs get pretty hard when they dry out, and it was beating my hands up pretty good. Obviously you want to wear gloves operating these things. Anyway, for what it is, it's working good, so it's ready to go. And that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.